Ladies and gentlemen, mambo zenu. Leo analysis itakuwa ni Kiswahili for the benefit of many who follow us on our social media platforms. So, it's gonna be extremely simple one, kwa sababu it's not a good time to trade. So guys, it's not a good time to trade. There's so many few opportunities in the market. So much volatility, market zina kelele sana sasa hivi. There's so many monetary policies zina discussed, so ina create a lot of uncertainties. Na wewe kama trader, you don't be caught up kwenye hizo volatilities. Kwa hiyo leo to simplify, issue ya corona ni kwamba ina affect the market in a very, very negative way. The different government, especially the US, they're trying to come up with stimulus package ambayo tayari ishapita na other stimulus packages to keep economy moving. Lakini as long the coronavirus is persistent, inaongezeka, ina tend to disrupt the human capital. So tunakuta hence at the end of the day watu hata kama unakuwa na stimulus package, watu hawezi kwenda kazini kwa sababu people are sick, people cannot go out because they have to practice social distance. Unlike crisis 2008-2009, hii is quite unique kwa sababu ya kipindi kile watu wakawa bado wako fit kufanya kazi, kurudi kazini right up after the crisis. Hii watu hawako tayari kurudi kazini. Kwa economy haiwezi ikaendelea bila watu. We all know that. So leo we're going to look at the markets. Now, mimi I've been very positive, very bullish for the dollar so far for some time now, na nimekuwa nikiambia watu wengi, jamani, dollar is still a bullish market. Japokuwa watu wangeza kwa professional traders na experts wanasema because these monetary policies kama QE, cheap money tends to negatively affect the currency, but we still have a very positive currency in the dollar. Now ukiangalia kufanya kwenye weekly chart hapa. Weekly chart ya dollar. So I'm gonna spend some few times here ili tuweze kukaa sawa katika hili jambo. Then weekly time, the market still very bearish. Bado is still playing around those areas. Lakini hii resistance area is a very important area. You can see there's a bit of double top, and that could negatively affect our analysis. Now probably reverse might happen on a technical level, but still as you see, that's a very strong bullish market. So coming week, I'm going to be positive. I'm going to be bullish on the dollar. Moving on. So nimeandalia some few trades kwenye FX markets. I think they have a very interesting movement. First of all, the Eurjpy. If you look at the weekly analysis, the weekly time frame is selling off with a very good downtrend here. First, second kiss, third kiss, fourth kiss. Now in the fourth kiss, the market is sell off big time here. Inacheza kwenye support sasa hivi. So what I want to see for the coming week, since we're trading weekly, so I want to see the market break through here all the way down to that area, or a pullback mpaka hapa. Now this area will be a very interesting area kwa tusisi kuweza kusell Eurjpy kama hapo unaona. I want to sell right there, so I want to follow the trend and keep on selling Eurjpy. Fundamentally, it's a good trade. We have a very weak euro. On the other hand, to a very, very strong Japanese yen, sababu is a safe haven. Okay, thirdly, we're looking at New Zealand USD, still trading it on a bearish market. Angalia moving average to sell, the trend line to sell first, second. So I would like to see a third kiss, then I'll start selling off from there. If you look at the stochastic here, it is a sell. If you look at ADX, still a bearish market. So literally every variable when you trade the Nzdusd is a sell, and this is very strong thesis to build up on the trade. And you make sure every trade you're going to take has to make, yani inatakiwa ina nguvu, ina confluence with other variables, kama ni moving average, kama ni support and resistance, kama ni ADX, stochastic, all of them they need kushabiana ili to create a very strong trade. So there's a theory behind that, kwa nini confluence is important. I cannot spend much time here kwenye hiyo issue. Next, Eurjpy imekuwa nikipreach for such a long time. Sell Eurjpy jamani guys. Just coming off from this top all-time highs of Eurgbp. Technically, a lot of traders would like to sell up on you. Also, GBP is quite strong at the moment compared to the euro. And it's a good trade to sell because you have a very big reward compared to the risk for this trade. And if you go to the daily time frame, prepared for you this Fibonacci, because the problem with this trade right now is imeshafika katika middle, and it's in the journey to the bottoms here, lakini we want to see a superstructure. You want to see structures like in your legs, pullback, correction, na vitu kama hivyo. That creates very good risk reward trade. So kwa hii trade tunaona kabisa you face Fibonacci here, you just reach 61%. So if I pull back here, I just want to see if I pull this Fibonacci, the second Fibonacci, I want to see the confluence of second Fibonacci to the first Fibonacci. I want to see a pullback to 61%, ambayo itakuwa ni maeneo ya hapa. Because ukiangalia 61% inashabiana na 0.2 na 23% ambayo ni for the first Fibonacci. It's quite good. So what I want to see kama price ije hapa and then start to sell. This might be a good trade, but it's something that I don't really like to trade because market okay. It's quite difficult just using Fibonacci and say, oh, this is what's going to happen. So traders simplify trade by making sure when you want to trade, don't just try to say, okay, this is what's supposed to happen. Make sure the structure tells you this is what's happening and this is what's supposed to happen. So using Fibonacci is you're trying to be like a wizard. You're trying to predict the amount the price is going to bounce, but that's very difficult. Like, if you are going to use trend lines and you clearly have a very good strong reason for buying and selling to a particular level. It's gonna happen on that corner 1, 2. That's second case. I want to trade out the third case. It didn't happen. Price imeendelea kwenda chini, then ikarudi hapa. So this was a very good sell we did. Ikaendelea all the way down and sell hapa. So as a trader, those are things you need to look at. Fibonacci is very, very vague. Alright, so the next trade, SPX. So we're going to debate of what is next for the stock market after this crisis. So we're still in the midst of the crisis, so it's quite difficult to say what is the bottom, so what is the leg. And a lot of traders are trying to buy, because I know a lot of traders wanapenda, there's this psychological element kwamba watu wanataka buy bottoms and sell tops. It doesn't work all the time, because when you look at this coronavirus period, market does not behave in psychology. It just goes all the way down, just like breaks all these supports, break support, keep on breaking. So as a trader, I want to advise you guys, this tendency of trying to only buy support and sell at resistance, it does not work all the time, especially during this time, financial crisis and corona crisis. So as a trader, I pick this as a bottom, but I don't think this will be a strong bottom. So I think we're still on the very, very long sell off drive in financial markets. We have almost 8 months of non-performance in the markets, non-economic activities. So I do expect a massive sell-off continuing. So I want to see the price keep on going down further from here. What I simply do, I just want to see that breakout happening, and then I just drive SPX to the bottom. So in the Nzdusd also imefanya pullback, and this is such a good trade kwangu mimi kwa sababu we have this level been respected before, 1, 2, 3. So the price imefika a level in the respect session, a bit of weakness. If I go to my 4 hours, I can clearly see such good patterns that I can use to trade. For instance, a pattern to come here. Yes, so there I want to see price in a break through here bottom, all the way down, and then that's where I'm going to catch that trade to the bottom. So as you can see, guys, that's Nasdaq trade. So Google, massive sell-off, tuko trade katika zile bounce, kissing points, been talking about this so many times. Now imesha break, it's trying to make a reversal, but I'm still suspicious kama reversal to sustain for such a long time kwa sababu ya coronavirus. So I will say the reason behind that. Palladium, a massive pullback from that massive sell-off. Yeah, price is going juu. That's a big question mark. There's every reason for Palladium to keep on going up kwa sababu of its essence katika hii technology revolution. The material Palladium is being used katika production of vitu vingi electronics, especially electric cars. So it's a hot commodity at the moment. So as long as the future is electric, Palladium has still a huge room for value appreciation. So yeah, some people would say this is just a pullback, Fibonacci, and then they start selling off. I'll hesitate to sell Palladium at this moment, but it's still a good trade based on what's happening in the short term. But I think in the next 10 years, 15 years, Palladium is gonna skyrocket. It's going to go up to 10,000, even 20,000. Alright, so oil, a massive pullback in oil. You can see that one happening. I think it was just right after Donald Trump comment on OPEC should come together and have a discussion, and we start seeing supply cuts happening. So is this going to be sustainable for such a long run? We wait to see. So at this time is not a good time to try to buy oil or anything like that, or even sell. Just wait for the structure to happen. Unless if the price comes to this level, it's a good place to sell oil. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like us, comment, share, and that means a lot to us. And yeah, hope to see you next time. Cheers.